Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description, and I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to add a little decoration to your home, and maybe you want a little greenery without the maintenance of watering and keeping them alive. And as you can see, it is a three-tiered, basically olive tree here. This was sent over by a company called Garvee Home, and it is 5 feet tall. I really like the look of this because it has like the little kind of olives on here, and it's got the little leaves. Everything is a little bit adjustable, so once it arrives, you can kind of fluff it to how you want, but it pretty much is easy to put together. It comes in 2 pieces, the bottom part and then the top part just slides in, and it's good to go. Now to give you an idea, like I said, of the overall size, it is 5 feet tall, and then basically at the largest kind of ball here at the bottom, that's about 17 to 17 3/4 inches wide. Now one of the nice things I like is the pot is very nice looking, it's very realistic looking, and to give you an idea of that size, it is about 8.5 inches in diameter and about 8.5 inches tall. Now you can obviously set this into a pot, different pot if you want to put this to where it looks bigger in the base. You can set this up anywhere in your house. You can set this up by your front door. It just basically looks kind of nice as a little pop of greenery and color, and it goes together really, really well. As far as cleaning it, it's very easy. I like to just use like those little Swiffer duster cloths and just kind of get in there and move around. It doesn't fall apart or anything like that, so that works out really, really nice for it as well. And it requires, like I said, no tools to put together. So if you're in the market and you're wanting to add just a little bit of pop of greenery to your space, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.